Okay, today topic is magnification. And what is magnification? We have already learned in the mirror formula, which is in the first lesson. So mirror magnification equals to in the mirror formula. We have already learned hi by h naught equals to minus v by u. Hi by h naught equals to minus v by u. And here in the lens, what is the magnification formula? Let us find out here. What is the topic here? Magnification. The topic is magnification, and it is based on the lens formula picture only. So what is the picture we have taken already in the previous class? So a concave mirror is, we have taken a convex lens. We have taken a convex lens and we placed a object. In front of the convex lens. That is, this one is principal axis. And we kept a object in front of the convex lens, which is indicating by O dash. And what are the light rays we are taking every time? How many light rays we are taking every time? 2 light rays. First one is the light ray which is going parallel to the principal axis. What is the first light ray? The light ray which is going to the principal axis, and after incident on the lens, what is in which way it is going? It is going through the focal point of the lens, and this one is focal point F. Okay, and what is the second light ray we have taken? The second light ray we have taken which is going through the center of the lens. And this is the center of the lens P, and this one is P dash. So these 2 light rays, and the first light ray which is parallel to the principal axis, and the second light ray which is going through the center of the lens, these 2 are meeting at one point, that is I dash. Just think, that is I dash. And if we draw any normal line, from principal axis to the intersecting point where the two lines are, light rays are intersecting, if we draw any normal line from principal axis to that intersecting point, they will converge at one point, and this will give us image of the object, and we can observe here. And this one is this is the object, and this one is the object distance, and which is indicating by u, and this one is the image distance, which is indicating by small v. These are the values we have to indicate in the picture, and we can observe what we have discussed in the lens formula and also in the mirror formula, and we can identify here 2 similar triangles are there. What are those 2 similar triangles? PO dash and PI dash. So these 2 are the similar triangles. What are those 2 similar triangles? From the figure we can identify 2 similar triangles. What are those? P triangle PO dash and triangle I dash P. These 2 are the similar triangles. So we can write the ratio here. And sides ratio from the triangles I dash by O dash. We can write the sides ratio I dash by O dash and PO by PI. We can write those. So what is the equation we can write? I dash by O dash, and the next one is PI by PO. We can write this by using the triangle sides ratio. And what are the values here? I dash means we can write image height. So this is image height HI, and O dash it is object height, and this we can write as HO. We can write there and substitute those values. I dash means what? HI. I dash means HI, and O dash means here from the picture we can write HO. And the next one, pi means what? Here pi means image distance v. Pi means image distance v, and PO means object distance u. Object distance u. From the sign conventions we can write here. From the sign convention we can write here, if anything if any values we are measuring from the principal axis towards the downside, we can take it as negative values. If anything is measuring from the principal axis towards the upside of the principal axis, we can take it as positive. And here the object distance is in negative value and the image distance will be in the positive value. So sorry. And here the object distance will be in the positive value and this will be in the negative value. So we can write here and we can indicate here hi means here minus value and v also minus. We can write the sign conventions and both the values minus and minus cancel, and we can write hi by h naught equals to v by u. Hi by h naught equals to v by u. This is the magnification value for a convex lens. And what is the magnification value for a concave mirror? What we have learned in the first class, that is hi by h naught equals to minus v by u. Hi by h naught equals to minus v by u, and this is the mirror magnification for the convex lens. Okay, we have a problem based on the lens formula. Let us solve this. This is example 6, which is in page number 73. And once I am reading the question, an electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table in a line at a distance of 1 meter. In what positions of convex lens of focal length of f equals to 21 centimeter with the image of lamp sharp. So what is given here? First, an electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table. So just take a table, and I am taking a table here. This is a table, and what we have done here, an electric lamp and a screen which are placed on a table, and this one is a screen. This is a screen. An electric lamp and screen is placed on a table, and next in a line at the distance of 1 meter. How much distance this is? This is 1 meter distance. This one total distance is 1 meter between the lamp and a screen. And in what positions of convex lens of focal length of f equals to 21 centimeter will the image of lamp be sharp? And what are the values given? Where should we keep the lens? And here I am keeping the lens. Which lens? This is convex lens. And where should we keep the lens to get the sharp image of the lamp? Then, so this is total distance is 1 meter, and just think this is indicating by D, and this one is object distance is x. Just think this one is x. Just think this one is x, and if this one object distance is x means, and the image distance will be, what will be the image distance? D minus x, and D means how much? 100 centimeters. So we can write 100 minus x. What are the values given? Write once here. First, the distance between those object distance and this is the center of the lens. So object distance equals to object distance O and image distance I. So object distance equals to, write the given values. Object distance. What is the object distance? How much here? X centimeter. Object distance equals to x centimeter, and image distance equals to how much? distance equals to, here this is the image distance d minus x. D minus x equals to 1. We can write 100 minus x. 100 minus x, and what any other value is given from the question, and we have the focal length of the mirror. We have the focal length of the lens. Focal length of the lens equals to, focal length of the lens, focal length of the lens equals to how much? F equals to 21 centimeter. These are the values given in the question, and what we have to find here, where should we keep the object lens to get the sharp image. And from the lens formula, what is the lens formula? 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So write the substitute the values. 1 by f equals to 1 by 21 equals to 1 by v means how much? 1 by v image distance is 1 by 100 minus x minus 1 by u. 1 by u means what? X. And here object distance which is measuring in the opposite to the light ray direction. So we mentioned here minus, and we have to write minus and simplify this equation. So simplify this equation. 1 by 21 equals to 1 by 100 minus x plus 1 by x. So we can 1 by 21 equals to cross multiplication, make the LCM 100 minus x into 1 plus x by 100 minus x into x. So 100 minus x plus x will be cancelled, and do the cross multiplication. 2100 equals to x into 100, 100x minus x into x square, x into x square. So 21, bring this equation one side, x square, x square, bring this side, x square minus 100x plus 2100 equals to 0. So make here factorization, and here we can write x square and 100x into 100x and 2100. So we can write this 100x equals to 70x plus 70x minus 30x plus 2100 equals to 0. Make the common here, x common, x minus 70 minus 30 common, x minus 70 equals to 0, and we can write here x minus 30 into x minus 70 equals to 0. So x equals to 30 or x equals to 70 centimeters. So here we have two solutions are here, x equals to 30 centimeter or x equal to 70 centimeters. That means if you want to get the lamp's sharp image on the screen, means we should have to keep the lens at 70 meter distance or 70 centimeter distance or 30 centimeter distance. This is the problem.